Your pain is not your enemy. It's your training ground. The struggle you feel today is the power you will carry tomorrow. Pain, everyone runs from it. Everyone tries to hide from it. But the truth is, pain is one of the greatest teachers you will ever have. Think about it. Every disappointment you felt, every time someone doubted you, every night you stayed awake wondering if you were good enough. Those moments were not there to destroy you. They were there to build you. Because strong people are not created in comfort. Champions are not made when life is easy. Champions are built in the moments when everything feels like it's falling apart. And they decide to stand up anyway. Collision pain changes you. It forces you to grow. It forces you to think differently. It forces you to discover strength you didn't even know existed inside you. The question is not, why am I going through this? The real question is, what am I going to become because of this? Because the same pain that breaks one person builds another into something unstoppable. The difference is mindset. Some people let pain make them bitter. But warriors, they let pain make them better. They take every failure and turn it into fuel. Every rejection becomes motivation. Every setback becomes preparation. Fire, remember this. Pressure creates diamonds. Fire forges steel. And pain creates powerful people. The struggles you face today are not random. They are shaping you into someone stronger, smarter, and more determined than ever before. So when life knocks you down, when things feel unfair, when the weight of the world feels too heavy to carry, don't quit. Don't give up. Stand up. Wipe the dust off your shoulders and say, if this pain came to break me, it chose the wrong person. Because one day, the same story that once made you cry will become the story that inspires the world. So don't waste your pain. Turn it into power, collision. Turn it into discipline. Turn it into growth. Turn it into the fire that pushes you further than you ever thought possible. Because the truth is, your greatest strength is hidden inside your hardest battles. And when you finally rise, the world will see something unstoppable. Fire a person who turned pain into power.